Building from the west, the Central Pacific Railroad hired 15,000 workers, of which 12,000 or more were Chinese immigrants. These workers of Chinese ancestry blasted and chiseled their way through the rugged Sierra Nevada mountains, using manual hammer drills, pickaxes, and explosives. They dug 15 tunnels through pure, hard granite.
It's really fun to learn about a history that we may not have known in the past, and to highlight events and a different culture that we may not have known contributed so much to the success of the Transcontinental Railroad.
This is also a telling example of how the Chinese and American people can come together to get things done and make the impossible possible. This is particularly true today. A strong bond between China and the United States can deliver real benefits to our two countries and to the world community.
That's very, very strong support from our Chinese companies. Mr. Gu, we're very grateful to you.
It looks way bigger from up here than it did from the seat I was in there, and it's what a turnout. We have been on a leadership team